Hello everyone, I am Ehsanul Siddiq Aranya, and last week I have learned about MVC in .NET framework so that we can make a web application in the professional way. So I have made uh, a library management system with CRUD operation: create, delete, select, and etc. So it need 1 week to understand the MVC system, how it get HTTP get and how it HTTP post here, and how it combine with the control model and view system. So now I'm going to run the project and show the project I have made to you all. So after running the project, a home page will appear here. So I've designed the home page with HTML and CSS and took a master page so that the footer and the header remain the constant. So here is my library management system. So I have add some detail here and add a background here so that it can looks more like a library. So here is something about the login panel, about the library panel and the student panel. So I can go to any panel I clicked. So after I have in the contact page, when I click on the contact page, it will go to a contact page. So I have add something about my contact information here. So see, the footer and the header is constant because of the master page. So I'm added some about here about my library management system app, and when I go to the library panel, I already some librarians added here, and here are a table of the information of the librarians I have added to the database. So here are name, email, contact and address of librarian. So if I want to add another librarian, so after add another librarian, clicking this form will appear so that I can create another librarian here. So unknown, name unknown, email unknown, password unknown, contact something, address Dhaka. So after clicking create, it will go to the information page here and see the information about the new librarian is added here. So if I want to update him or update me, that's me, Ehsanul. So after clicking update, it will go to the update operation here. So name something, or no, email, password, contact, let's delete something from here, address, MD. So after clicking update, it will go to the also go to the information page, and it will update here. See, the name was Ehsanul and name became A or no, and email, contact, everything is updated. So if I want to delete someone, let's delete Mr. ABCD. So after clicking delete, it will be deleted from here. See. So so like same, I can add any student. So after clicking the student informations are showing here with a table which I have write the HTML and CSS code in the view. So after I can add a student here, student name something, star, branch, Dhaka, gender, date of birth something, contact something, address Dhaka, city, email, password. So after creating, see, the new name has been added here of student, and I can also update him. so I can update anything like from this. So after updating it, see it has been updated. So if I want to delete him, I can delete him also. After clicking delete, it will be deleted from here. So here was the CRUD operation I have made with MVC. So I have a plan to make a login button here, not button, I label here, so that I can log into the librarian panel or student panel. So I will learn that soon. So let's go to the code. Here is the code I have made with MVC. So here I have took some models here, that is student model and librarian model. In the student model, I have took some property, that is student ID, student name, branch, gender, the informations, so that I can took them from the database and add them to combine them to the controller and view, and I can show them to in the website. And in the librarian panel, there are also some informations. So here are the models. I took that models from here, add a class, and in the controller I have took some controller, like also add. So here are some controller of library controller. So in the library controller I have took connection string globally, so that I can use the connection string with select, delete, update every query I have wrote. So in here in the action result is the in the action result I have wrote the query of selecting everything, because I want to show them in the information. So and I have add the view of this information from here, view. So here is the selecting query, it is getting here, and it will show to the to that student information here, sorry, librarian information here. So in the librarian information I have taken a table here, and taken a for loop, so that every time I add a new student or a librarian, it will add a new row there. So here are some operations with aref, so that I can select, when I am selecting them, that they will go to the edit panel and librarians folder, and go to the edit page. So here in librarian controller, so back to the librarian controller, I have wrote the query of selecting, and I have wrote also to create a new librarian. I have inserted here, and the operation is opening here. I have wrote the query here, it is, and it after adding them all, I have wrote also a edit query here to the HTTP GET, and another query to update them. So in this HTTP GET, I am selecting them all by the ID to edit them. In this panel I have taken a parameter and updating them with this ID, and in the delete I have taking their ID by ID and deleting the information from the database. So here was the CRUD operation, and when I do any operation, it will combine with the controller, model, and the view. So I have to make the view from when I want to delete, made a view for the delete. So I right button here, add a view, and delete make a delete page. The HTML page will also be appear here, and here was they are the of method of the controller. So in the controller page, in the controller folder, I have to write all the code I want to show and I want to do with, and in the model there will be information about the database. So if I want to make this ID nullable, so I can tell nullable here, and I can load the ID here. So I have to create the generate class for the nullable, so I don't need to do it now. So here was the project I have made with MVC, and inshallah I will made bigger project with MVC soon. Thank you everyone, thank you for watching my project.